Hi, today we're going to look into tool subscription expenses tracker. I'm going to see how you can keep track of all the tools that you're using in your business and the subscriptions related to that. So first of all, let me turn off my webcam so that you can get a complete view of the screen. Now let's jump back to the template. So in the tool subscription tracker, you can see that we have got a category section on the top, which defines all the different categories of expenses that we have booked. Then we have a summary section which shows the total budget expense that was set, the actual expenses incurred, the difference between both, and the percentage of actual expenses compared to the budgeted expense. So before we see everything on the top in detail, let's analyze what we have at the bottom. In the expenses side, we have the date column, the name of the expense that we are incurring, the category of expense, vendor name, the amount field, and other details as we have seen in the expense template in the expense database at the bottom. So first of all, you need to define the category for the expense. Now, if you want to change an existing category, simply click on this pencil icon and you can edit this category to whatever category you want to define. So once you do that, all the category name will be changed as per the requirement. Okay. We have the budget expense. Once you click on this, you'll be able to enter your own budgeted expense amount that you want to enter, and it will automatically update. And for the actual expenses, as you update the expense at the bottom, the expense also gets updated to the top. Okay. And the same is reflected in the summary side where the actual expense and the budget expense are updated as and when you're entering the amount. So if I'm entering an amount over here, the actual expense is increasing or decreasing as per the entered amount. If you want to add a new category, simply click on this new page. Once you do that, so you can define a category over here. And then once you do that, you can again enter this pencil icon and add your own budgeted expense as per that. And choose that particular category from the drop down here so as to have the new category defined for a use case. Okay. So this is how you can utilize this template to keep track of all your expenses as and when you're incurring. If you have any questions related to customization of this template, I'll be happy to assist you on this further. And this template can be customized to suit your own requirements as and when you wish to do so. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this template is helpful to you and I'll be waiting for your feedback on this. Thank you. Bye bye.